Ladies and gentlemen, this had to be expected. Android headline: Samsung had delayed One UI 6 beta due to bugs. Then there is a rather extensive text describing a German user reaching out to the German Samsung chat support. And there is indeed this screenshot. I'm gonna read it to you. Die Members App hat vor 2 Tagen ein Update bekommen, was ihr auf ein Beta hinweist. Wisst ihr da mehr? So the user is asking the support agent, hey guys, the Samsung Member App got an update which hints that we're gonna get a beta, what happens? And then the agent is saying, hey super, leider können wir aktuell noch keine weitere Information geben. Hey, sorry, can currently provide no more information. Aufgrund von mehreren Bugs etc. wurde vorerst zurückgezogen. Based on the bugs discovered is this version now withdrawn. Sobald wir Informationen haben, wirst du diese in der Samsung Members App einsehen. I'm not sure if this is fake or not, but provided it's not fake, this indicates that due to bugs discovered in the One UI 6, it seems that the update will have to be postponed, which kind of makes sense, guys. Today is the 3rd of August. A lot of people are not working, holiday season in a lot of countries right now and continents, so it probably makes sense for Samsung to kind of delay this update. This is the news I want to share with you. So right now the news is One UI 6 beta delayed. I'm okay with this. I rather will have it September when everybody's back so that we have proper time to test it. But if they provide it tomorrow, you know what I'm gonna do. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe, it's the over, and bye.